Hello Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 52, and we are diving into convolutional neural networks, or CNNs. These powerful networks are the backbone of image classification and many other computer vision tasks. Today, we'll introduce CNNs, build a CNN architecture, and explore transfer learning with pre-trained models. Let's get started. CNNs are a type of deep learning model specifically designed for processing structured grid data, like images. They leverage the spatial structure of images through convolutional layers, pooling layers, and fully connected layers. Convolutional layers apply filters to the input image, detecting features like edges, textures, and patterns. Pooling layers downsample the spatial dimensions, reducing the number of parameters and computations. Finally, fully connected layers output the final classification. Let's build a simple CNN for image classification using the MNIST dataset, which consists of handwritten digits. We'll use TensorFlow and Keras for this task. First, let's install and import the necessary libraries. With just a few lines of code, we've built a CNN that can classify handwritten digits with high accuracy. This model uses 2 convolutional layers, 2 pooling layers, and 2 dense layers with a dropout layer to prevent overfitting. Transfer learning allows us to leverage pre-trained models on large datasets, saving time and improving performance. We'll use a pre-trained model like VGG16 for image classification on a new dataset. Let's import the VGG16 model and fine-tune it for our task. By leveraging the VGG16 model, we can achieve high accuracy with significantly less training data and time. This is the power of transfer learning. That's a wrap for day 52 of our 100 Days of Python series. Today, we explored the world of convolutional neural networks, built a CNN for image classification, and learned about transfer learning with pre-trained models. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with our daily Python tutorials. Keep coding and happy learning!